Nadavalab Sri Harivans, this is the numbers analogy and this is the report solution. Many students try to solve these two questions but didn't get the right answer. So in this video, I will try to explain the details way. But you need to apply the high level of thinking to solve the such problems. So I request if you're new on my the channels, please like, share, subscribe, and comment me and share this video to all the friends. Let us start how to solve this equation. Here the options of the question number 2 and here the options for the question number first. There is the question like 12 is to 28 equals to 15 is equal what? What is the relations similarity of the given statements? Okay, so they are the given for options. So how can solve these things? So first of all, I'm going to solve directly. So for this question, you need to find the all possible factors. Okay, 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 6, and you can write directly 12. So after that, we need to add all these things the 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 6, 6, 4, 10, 10, 6, 16, 16, and okay, this is the 28. So it is coming the total number of the factors, sum of the total number of factors is 28. Similarly, you can do also, so get the factors of the 50. Here 1, comma 3, comma 5, comma 50 and add all these things 1, 3, 4, 4 and 20. This is coming the 24. So option A is the right answer for the particular questions. So similarly, you can solve the question number 2. Here you can looking 24 is to 8 similar to the 35 is to what. So if you try to solve this question, we need to also work on this the basis like first of all try to get the factors of 24. So what are the possible factors of 24? You can write 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 6, comma and 8, comma and 12 and 24. Okay, these are the possible factors. So count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are total 8 factors. So that relate the 8. 24 is to 8. Okay. Similarly, you can get 35. What are the factors of the 35? All possible factors 1, comma 5, comma 7, comma and you can write 1, 5, 7 and directly you can write 35. Okay. There are the 4 possible factors 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can say that C is the right options for this particular questions. You can check once again 35. What is the possible factors of 35? 1, it is divisible by 1 and it is also divisible by 5 and it is also divisible by 7 and it is also divisible by 35. After that, you have no any extra number that divide this number exactly. Okay, so there are 4 possible factors. So option C is the right answer for particular question. So this is the way to solve, but many students try to give the answer out of the options, but we have already mentioned the give me the answer according to the given option and there will be the apply the high processing result over here. So this is the way to solve the such problem questions. Okay, I will meet with another questions till the goodbye.